Okay, I felt for chicken lo mein today and I didn't feel like ordering it, so I made it myself and it was better than any takeout. I'm gonna show you how I make my special chicken lo mein, but before we do that, take a minute to like this video so that YouTube can suggest it to your friends also. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't already done so, please consider hitting the subscribe button, because this is Eat with Dunks, where we make simple creative meals that you can make on your own for yourself or your family. Alright, now let's get it. I'm using chicken thighs and we're saving money, so you know I got the bone in them. You can use chicken breast if you want, but this is how I remove the bone from my chicken thighs. Just like that, and voila. I'm going to cut the chicken thighs into small pieces here. First, I cut them into chunks and then I slice them into thinner slices. These pieces should be perfect for your lo mein. I'm going to season with a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, ground allspice, a tablespoon of garlic powder, paprika, and I'm also going to go in with some olive oil and some soy sauce. No, we're just gonna rub in the seasoning real good. You know me, gotta give that meat some flavor. And you want it to look just like this when you're done. Alright, now we are gonna cut up some veggies for our dish, starting with some chunks of green bell peppers. Hey, let me know in the comment section if this is how you cut your bell pepper or sweet pepper. I do it this way so that I don't get the seeds or the white flesh in my slices. Anyways, no clue why I left the bell pepper for the onion, but I'm also going to chop up some white onion into small pieces here. After making this dish, I realized I should have cut larger chunks, but it worked out. Now back to our bell pepper. I find it so easy to cut it this way. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Next, I'm going to chop up some scallion into small pieces. Then I'm going to peel a small piece of ginger. Nothing too big, just about the size that you see on the screen here. And you want to chop it into small pieces also. Sorry, I lost a video where I was shredding it, but I'm also going to use some shredded carrots here. I'm going to blend some veggies in our food processor for additional flavor. I have some onion, green bell pepper, 4 pieces of garlic, and cilantro. I'm going to add some olive oil and blend it up real good. When it's done, I'm going to add some of the blended paste to the meat and rub it in also. Check this out. Money. For my sauce, I'm using a cup and a half of water, about 2 tablespoons of the blended paste, some oyster sauce, maybe a half cup, and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. The oyster sauce is a trick to any good lo mein. So if you're gonna make this dish, I recommend getting the sauce at the store. You want to mix it in just like this, and that smells good. I'm gonna cut up some chunks of cabbage, not too small because you want to keep the crunch. You can also use bok choy here if you have that or you prefer that, but I'm using cabbage today. Now let's skip to the good part. Add your chopped garlic and ginger to your hot oil and just move it around a little bit before adding your chicken to the pot. Once you add your chicken, move the pieces around until all the sides have this nice brown coat. I had my noodles cooking while I was preparing everything else to save time, and now they're ready. I'm using spaghetti noodles here, but egg noodles would be ideal. Alright, now go ahead and add in your veggies to the chicken so that the meat can absorb all the flavors. Hold the cabbage for a few minutes, because remember, we don't want it to cook all the way. We need to get that crunch in every bite. Mix it all in and let it just cook together. Now you can add your noodles and just pour your sauce in and just mix until the dish is coming together. Shouldn't be more than 6 minutes after you added your sauce, and just like that, your chicken lo mein dinner is ready. Just take a look at this. Money. I wish you could have some of this right now because it's so darn delicious. And if you think this looks delicious, let me get a thumbs up. Hit the like button, and if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe for more simply amazing meals just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with a new recipe where we'll be eating with dunks.